Coconuts are great, but let's be real, everything is better as cake. Stick around because this coconut cake is going to blow your mind and taste bud. If you haven't already followed this channel, make sure to do that right now. Hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification, and also share this channel with your family and friends. Let's get into it. Separate the egg whites from 4 whole eggs. Using a mixer, whip the egg whites on high speed until stiff peaks form. The mixture should double in volume. Think fluffy clouds. Set it aside for later. Now, measure out 1 cup of milk and set it aside. You'll see why this is key to making the cake super moist. In another bowl, combine 240 grams of unsalted butter and 200 grams of sugar. Beat on high speed until it's light and fluffy, like happiness in a bowl. Next, add the egg yolks you separated earlier and mix until everything is smooth and creamy. Here comes the flavor bomb. Add 1 tablespoon of coconut flavor and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Beat just until combined. Now, pour in 1/4 cup of coconut milk and mix on medium speed until the batter is silky smooth. Now for the dry team. Sift together 350 grams of flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Gradually add this to the batter in 3 parts, alternating with the milk in 2 additions. Start and end with the dry ingredients for a perfectly smooth and balanced batter. Time to fold in those whipped egg whites. Do this in 2 batches to keep your batter light and airy. Then mix in 1 cup of sweetened coconut flakes because more coconut equals more happiness. Pour the batter into an 8-inch round pan. Give it a little tap to knock out any air bubbles and smooth the top. It's baking time. Pop it into a preheated oven at 180 degrees centigrade or 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for about 15 minutes. You'll know it's done when a toothpick comes out clean or when the smell makes you too impatient to wait any longer. Once your cake is baked to perfection, take it out of the oven and let it cool in the pan for about 10 minutes. This helps it settle and makes it easier to handle. After 10 minutes, gently flip the cake onto a cooling rack. Let it cool completely before frosting because one cake and frosting don't mix, no matter how tempting it is. And there you have it, the fluffiest, most irresistible coconut cake you would ever make. Perfect for parties, special occasions, or just a treat yourself day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this recipe with your fellow cake lovers.